Hey kids, today I have an awesome story to share with you. Imagine this. A young girl named Lily, who loves Legos, discovers a hidden garden where flowers can talk and animals wear clothes. Sounds magical, right? One sunny day, Lily was playing in her backyard when she noticed a sparkle behind an old tree. Curious, she tiptoed closer and found a tiny door hidden in the tree's bark. She opened it and, whoosh, she was transported to the magical garden. In this garden, flowers sang songs, bunnies wore cute jackets, and birds chatted about their day. It was like stepping into a Lego dreamland. But oh no, the garden was in trouble. An evil sorcerer named Zoltar planned to steal all the magic and turn the garden grey and lifeless. Lily knew she had to help. She met a wise old owl named Ollie who told her about the magic crystal hidden deep within the garden. The crystal kept the garden alive and full of magic. If Zoltar got his hands on it, everything would be lost. So Lily, with her trusty Lego backpack, set off on her adventure. Along the way, she teamed up with Rosie, a brave squirrel, and Benny, a funny bunny. They had to solve puzzles, like building a Lego bridge over a river and finding hidden Lego keys to unlock secret paths. They finally reached the crystal cave, but Zoltar was already there. With a wave of his wand, he tried to trap them in a cage, but Lily quickly built a Lego shield to protect them. Rosie used her acorn bombs to distract Zoltar, while Benny hopped around, making Zoltar dizzy. Lily saw her chance and grabbed the magic crystal, holding it high. The garden lit up with bright, colorful light, and Zoltar's magic was defeated. The garden was saved. The flowers sang louder, the animals danced, and everyone cheered for Lily and her friends. Ollie the owl presented Lily with a special Lego medal for her bravery and quick thinking. Lily said goodbye to her new friends and stepped back through the tiny door. She was back in her backyard, but now she knew a special secret. Anytime she wanted to visit the magical garden, all she had to do was believe and use her imagination. So remember, kids, adventure is everywhere if you use your imagination. Keep building, keep dreaming, and who knows, maybe you'll discover your own magical world someday. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome Lego adventures.